on. So, how you doing? It's Rhonda Howard with Howard Happenings, and right now I am here with my daughter. What's your name?
Brooklyn Journey Howard.
Brooklyn Journey Howard, and I am about to make the seafood salad. So, first thing I just did a live, and I am using the Crab Classic imitation crab meat. I weigh everything, I measure everything. So, this is 8 ounces, and I weighed it on my scale. So, I literally pour it in my bowl. So, I'm gonna pour this in.
Pour it.
Pour it. Did you want to pour one?
I want to pour it too.
Okay.
Let me pour it to myself.
Go ahead and pour it.
Pour it to myself.
Alrighty.
Whoa, that's a big one.
Yes, it is a big one. What color is it?
Orange and white.
Yes, orange and white. So,
It looks like tastes like macaroni.
it looks like it tastes like macaroni.
Yes.
So, I'm just kind of chopping it up with my knife.
It smells like macaroni.
So, that's 1 pound of imitation crab meat. One of my girlfriends says she makes it with actual real crab meat, so that would be a treat. I haven't made it with real crab meat, but you're welcome to substitute that. The next thing, you need 1 shallot or red onion. So I have already mixed the shallot, and this is actually 1. So what color bowl is this, Brooklyn?
Yellow.
Yellow. And what's in there?
Onion.
Onion. And you want to pour it in?
Yes.
Pour it in. Pour it in. So we have our 1 shallot, and then we have a half a cup of mayonnaise. So my family's probably thinking, oh my goodness, not Rhonda. So if anyone knows me, I don't like any condiments, which is probably unheard of to many. So you can use whatever you like. As you can probably guess, I purchased this real mayonnaise with cage-free eggs because why? Yep, you name it. It was on sale, and I had a coupon. So this is a half a cup, and I would say use whatever ones you'd like and whatever brand you'd like. So you have a half a cup of mayonnaise, and if you ask me, I'd use even less because I don't like mayonnaise at all. And then next, you need a half a cup of minced celery. So I washed and cut up some celery, and Brooklyn's going to mince it.
But it's not.
Yep, you can do it. So I have it in a
It's really stuck.
little mincer.
Let me do it.
Pull it. Go ahead and pull it, Brooklyn. Go
I
ahead.
want to pull it. Get it.
Strong.
I want to let
Go ahead, let it go. And then you just pull it, and it really minces pretty quick.
I want to do it.
Go ahead. One more time. She's so silly. Alrighty. Let it go. Pull it. Let it go. Be careful. So, can you imagine doing this with the boys as well? So, the celery calls for half a cup. So, I am going to take the blade out. So, you got to be careful when you're working with children. Hold on. And this is called celery, Brooklyn, right?
Celery!
Celery is a vegetable.
It looks like a vegetable.
It is a vegetable.
Like an orange and an apple and a
Those are fruit.
banana.
Yes. And I'm going to pour it in. What color bowl is this?
Green.
A green?
Like some celery.
A green bowl.
Celery.
And remember, this calls for a half of cup of minced celery. So I have my half cup. You want to put some celery in the cup for us?
Yes.
Put it in there.
I want to put it in.
And then, while she's doing that, you need some paprika. Doesn't matter. This paprika I probably paid.
Some
It's
celery.
It's okay, baby girl. So paprika, it's a half teaspoon of paprika. So I'm gonna measure it out.
Hey, Mommy, it's almost done.
It's almost done. And then this also calls for my spices. This is dill.
There's lots in there.
So I will give you a half teaspoon of dill. Brooklyn, are you almost finished putting the celery? Is that a half cup yet?
And only
Almost.
It's about to that.
It's almost to the top.
No.
And then I have
have
a fourth.
Mommy, it's still more.
Yeah. Fourth teaspoon of salt. Oops. Just a little bit over. And a fourth teaspoon of black pepper. So we're waiting for Brooklyn to finish up the half cup of minced celery. You good?
It's in a really lot.
Yeah, she did a great job. Celery? Gonna pour it in?
I want to pour it to myself.
Okay, pour it in.
It's raining. It's snowing.
It's- She's so silly. Okay, so my helper, can you go put these in the sink for mommy? I'll clean that up afterwards. Put these in the sink.
You're really dirty.
I know. So inside you see it all is mixed. I'm going to stop this live, mix it all up, and then show you what it looks like.
Start to clean this.
Yeah, we'll clean it up and post a picture. So I'm going to plate it by putting the lettuce or either baby spinach down, and then I'm going to top it with the crab salad. Add the avocado. I got these avocados from Wegmans. So I'll half the avocado and each of us will get half avocado. Avocado is a great fat and is delicious. So hope you enjoyed. I will post the ingredients to this and a picture of what it looks like. Hope you enjoyed Happenings with the Howards. You want to say bye, Brooklyn?
Bye, 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 bye.
All righty.
Bye.